Hello, Mrs. S. I am Dr. K and would like to thank you for sharing your time with me to explain your results. Today, we are going to go through your psychological assessment report, discuss the full analysis, discuss room for self-improvement, and see if you have any questions afterwards. The purpose of this full psychological assessment is to test for concerns for attentional functioning. It is also to show signs of possible academic accommodations and personal daily activities to enhance your day-to-day activities. This full history, we discuss or outline your previous history with your current symptoms, medical, neurological, psychiatric, substance abuse, development, occupational, family, or psychosocial history. Through your comprehensive interview and review of records, we are able to outline your full account with anxiety and depression, your medical history, difficulties with math, career history with the Army, family history, and current living situations with your husband and children. Your past is essential to annotate as it impacts the results of all your tests and can help decipher possible areas for concern. Two sections outline all the assessments and tests you've taken and behavioral observations during the full evaluation. It also annotates the interview and reviewing of records. It describes criteria from the Wechsler's Adult Intelligence Scale 4 to the Beck Depression Inventory that you've taken. One thing to annotate is your behavioral observation is the observed anxiety. Outlining the test, interview, review of records, and behavioral observations all impact the results. It's essential to combine all results from all factors to ensure the validity of the results. Are the results gathering the correct and most accurate information? All the different analyses help to answer those questions. For example, when analyzing your results, the observed anxiety was taken into consideration. Your findings and your results. The summary of findings outlines your cognitive ability, achievement, information processing, and personality mood. Your cognitive achievement and information processing ability, except for some factors like math, for the most part, was all in the average rate in comparison to those currently in your educational level. You did show mild weakness in some subtests like reading, spelling, or sentence comprehension. However, those are probably most likely secondary or due to the anxiety. Although math skills were reputably below average, your personality and mood show signs of mental distress, sometimes pessimistic views, and possibilities for early termination of some treatment if needed. The last portion outlines the impressions and recommendations. Overall, the test results are consistent with the impairments of sustained attention and working memory, which are secondary to your general anxiety disorder. There are also signs of mathematical disorder that may have been present since childhood. Educational accommodation will help accommodate the anxiety portrayed while in college, especially when taking math courses. Some educational accommodations appropriate include additional time for exams, usage of calculators during standardized testing, and extra breaks during those tests. Some recommendations for daily activities include taking breaks during tedious works, keeping personal belongings in the same location every single time, sticking to one task at a time, utilizing a daily planner to keep track of all appointments, using written reminders and notes for reading and verbal learning, and making a distraction-free environment. Please know that rather than looking at all this as a flaw or some sort of learning disability, it is a way to help you achieve your full potential during your time as a student. We are providing you a way to help accommodate your current learning abilities. It is designed to help you achieve your current and future goals. It is imperative to continue the recommendations and accommodations and not quit early to complete your goals as a college student or later in life. Again, for your time. Do you have any questions or concerns that I can help you with?